Hello, I'm Sun First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. A windy afternoon, which makes it feel even colder out there, feeling much like the teens for the better part of the afternoon and evening. A gradual thaw in our direction, meaning temperatures are on their way up past the freezing mark, but we do have opportunity for some light snow late Saturday into Sunday. Looking at our futurecast, we'll grab a little sunshine at times during the day today. Partly cloudy overnight and some sunshine to start tomorrow, but those clouds will increase in the afternoon and evening on Saturday. We'll stay dry during the daylight hours tomorrow, but the chance for snow does arrive around midnight and then scattered snow showers into Sunday. As far as accumulations, they do look light, anywhere from a half to possibly 1 inch of fresh snow. For today, though, right around 30 for a high, partly sunny, feeling cold because of those gusty winds, partly cloudy tonight, seasonably cold, 19 degrees. We typically see about 20 for an overnight low. Low 30s on Saturday and Sunday. We'll stay in the 30s all the way into next week, but closer to 40 by next Wednesday, when we could see a rain-snow combination late Wednesday into Thursday. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great day.